In this video, I'll show you how you can buy Dogecoin on eToro. First, what you want to do is make sure your profile is completed and validated. So head over to your profile and make sure you send in the requirement for the documents, which is a proof of address. So it can be bank statement or utility bill or something. And also your ID. So that can be driver's license, your national ID, or stuff like that. Once you've done that, you're going to complete your KYC and you're going to get a little questionnaire about crypto. And once you've done that and you have been verified, you can now trade with crypto. After that, you simply want to head over to either Discover or Watchlist. Come up here and search for Dogecoin, click on it, and simply press trade up here if you want to buy or sell. So that is how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.